Ang gunita sa bawat libro ay may mga kwento na isa sa buhay habang buhay. I am Angel Micarda Cruz from Grade 12 STEM del Rosario. This isn't just a book, it's a mirror, one that forces us to look at lives we often overlook. This is Lirio by Magdira Paulo. At first glance, that looks simple. A small graphic novel, quiet and monochrome. Pero kapag binuksan mo, para kang hinihilap pasok sa makipot na kalsada ng Maynila. Sa mga buhay na bihirang mapansin. This are Celso and Marcy, an ordinary couple with ordinary dreams. They live the province, hoping that the city will give them a better life. Pero habang tumatagal, napadpad sila sa realidad ng hirap. Pang-araw-araw na takot, at isang sistemang hindi kailanman naging patas. And in their struggle to survive, they fall into drug use. Not out of choice, but out of exhaustion, pain, and the crushing reality around them. Dito mo makikita at maiintindihan. Hindi sila masama. Sila ay pagod, sugatan, at sinusubukang mabuhay sa mundong mabilis maghusga. The war on drugs is easy to ignore when it's just a headline. But here, you see it through their eyes. Every panel feels heavy. Every silence feels dangerous. Ito ang kwento ng mga tinig na madaling patahimikin at mga buhay na madaling mabura. What makes this story Lirio unforgettable is how honest it is. You don't just read their struggle, you feel it. You feel the weight of their choices, the thin thread of hope they try so hard to hold on to. This story goes beyond one couple. It becomes a portrait of a society, its broken systems, its imbalances, and its quiet tragedies. At sa bawat pahina, makikita mo kung paano naapektuhan ng takot at kahirapan ng mga taong wala ng ibang sandalan. And the title Lirio, the lily, says everything, a flower that symbolizes purity and resilience, trying to bloom in a world that was never gentle to begin with. It's short, less than 60 pages, but every scene stays with you. Every line feels intentional. Every illustration feels like a voice speaking the truth. Kami hamak na estudyante lamang. Lumalaban ng patas sa mundong tinatapakan. Magkakaiba man ang aming pinanggalingan, iisa lamang ang aming paroroonan.